What's shaping up to be a dogfight for a place in the burgeoning unmanned aircraft delivery industry is about to see the prototype for an innovative new combatant. On Monday, Aergility Corporation will take the wraps off the first full-size prototype of its ATLIS hybrid cargo vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle at the AVUSI Xponential conference in Orlando, Florida. In other words, a drone that carries cargo. But what sets the ATLIS off from other cargo drones now under development is what makes it take off and fly: Aergility's patented Managed Autorotation Technology, or MAT. It's like a hybrid, fuel and electric, plus two fundamental ways of flying, multirotor and autogyro, explained Aergility Deer. The ATLIS uses 6 fixed-pitch, 9-foot diameter electric rotors for takeoff and landing. Airborne forward propulsion is handled by a 90 kilowatt multifuel turboprop engine, which also recharges the batteries for the rotors in flight. In forward flight, lift is provided by a small chord wing and airflow through the rotors like an autogyro. The rotors carry half the load and the wing is carrying half the load. It's a very efficient system, Aergility founder and CEO Jim Vander Mey, who is also Brian's father, told Forbes. The principle is the same as a gyro plane. The whole aircraft is controlled by the variation of RPMs. The engine pulling it through the air, the energy for the rotors is coming from the air going through the rotors. The result is a compact unit that can actually be broken down and transported by trailer, but with the ability to carry fairly heavy loads for several hundred miles. It can carry AVUSI. It's a hybrid split between fuel and payload. If you wanted to carry 400 pounds you can go 600 miles. If you wanted to carry 500 pounds you can go 300 pounds with a standard tank. Cruising speed is 100 miles per hour. The ATLIS is designed to fly autonomously, but for testing purposes some operations are conducted by remote control. Unlike some other companies developing cargo drones, Aergility isn't looking, initially, at going after the package delivery business, but rather serving humanitarian and military needs, especially in remote or dangerous locales. There's a big opportunity in the developing world, not in the U.S. Instead of worrying about the last mile delivery, you really need to worry about the last 100 miles, and this will enable the possibility to build a logistics system that can deliver these kinds of things cost effectively, quickly, without having to have all that infrastructure.